Hello, this is Karni Zor with your weekly astrological forecast, and a good one this time. Jupiter is the planet of expansion, luck, and success, and Jupiter is moving into a new astrological realm just these days. Jupiter, after being 2 years in the astrological realm of the diamond, in conjunction to difficult Pluto and Saturn, creating the whole 2020 event, because this planet of good fortune was constrained by Saturn and buried beneath the earth due to Pluto's appearance there. Now finally Jupiter moves into a new astrological realm, which is the realm of the waterfall. It means many things. First of all, Pluto only moves into a new astrological realm once a year, so in a way this is a new start that we all waited and looked for. And in my site you can see, according to your birth date, exactly how Jupiter will influence your own astrological tribe during the coming year from now for the next 12 months. So Jupiter will have a different influence upon each and every one of you according to your birth date, but together with that, the mere fact that Jupiter is finally getting away from difficult Saturn, Lord of Karma, difficulties and constraints, and Pluto, the planet of metamorphosis, allows Jupiter to bring openness and happiness and optimism back to the world. And this is what we are going to see happening rapidly in the next few months and on to the next whole year. This is what we wished for. So these are amazing news. We are talking about the reopening of the world after this very, very difficult year of COVID and of quarantine. So with Jupiter allowing to play without his hands tied behind his back, we are going now to see the world opening, new things happening, traveling will happen again. The world is in a very, very good state where things can reopen. Together with that, the realm of the waterfall is a very, very spiritual, astrological realm. It talks about the ability to be in tune with the unseen world and to be receptive of the messages that are all around us. So this is what happens now. Now, when Jupiter moves into a new astrological realm, its most extreme and wonderful and best influence is at the beginning of this stage. So in the next few weeks, few months, and maybe you've already started to notice it, we're going to be much more open to intelligences and to insights and new perceptions, and things will actually pour like a waterfall into us. And all we will need to do, well, not all, but a lot of what we'll need to do will be just to clear ourselves in order for us to better hear and translate and transmit these messages. These are very, very good news, and I'm sure that many of you already experienced the opening of the world, much more flow of intuition, of the knowings that just come. It is the feeling that something finally takes us and lifts us up to where we would want to be, finally, in very, very rapid pace. So changes are happening, good changes, new things are opening, new things are appearing in a very, very fast pace, and we are on this ride with Jupiter. So make sure that you look at my site, anewastrology.com, to further read about Jupiter's influence upon you during the next year. If you liked this message, this weekly astrological forecast, please Share it with other people, with friends. Press the like button. Leave me a comment here or a question. Gladly I will answer. And have a wonderful, wonderful time.